There's Kenny with his mask on, and everybody else. Everybody's like, so this is right here. This is the underground garage. And so you guys, I wish I could show you everything, but they are amazing here. They are all here and putting the tables very, very far apart. And so I'm just trying to stay away. So you can kind of see, here's one of the tables. It's a 10-foot table. And you guys, I'm already tired. I could not sleep last night because of everything. So hello everybody. So just so you know, so excited because this is gonna be crazy, you guys. So I never in a million years thought I would be doing an event live and virtual, and then there are a few people that are coming, and everybody that's coming, I'm not gonna be walking around teaching. I've printed photos, we're wearing our mask, and so it's been amazing. So if you are watching this, thank you. You're seeing me going, breathe, it's all good. I wish I could show you more of the room. The reason why I'm not is because we have a theme this year of bees, like how you should be. And then I'm doing the event kickoff at 7 o'clock. I'm even wearing a special dress that I haven't worn before that I got in March. And here's the thing, I hope it fits me. We even had people today signing up for the virtual, so if you want to still sign, you can. But you can see, like, here I am, and so there we have there's 6 feet between, so, and we've got all the tables spaced out. I don't know if I can kind of show. So the tables in the room are very spaced out. I even know the date for next year, and I have all the teachers that are going to be teaching next year too. So Saturday night this whole event's going to be amazing, you guys. Silhouette's coming up tomorrow. So is Franklin Planner, and it's just lots of things going on. Lots of debuts for everyone who's joining me live and virtually and here. There's a lot going on. So I'm going to show a really big sneak peek over. Okay, can you guys see that? I see some gold bags. You guys, I have spoiled everybody coming here. Oh my gosh, like, I think I told you, just to ship in my new photo albums. Yeah, they told us it was gonna be 1,000. No, it was 3,000 to ship the albums in to make sure they were here because they're not on the website yet. So you guys, doing an event is not easy. This is called just, shower, wave the hair, no makeup, don't care. I wish I could show you. Okay, I'm gonna show some little sneak peeks because, okay, so they're here doing the AV. And so here is what's going on. This is the projector, and we also have, great Sean with the tables. So normally we have tables everywhere, and so they're very, very spaced out. You can see there's only 3 or 4 max at a table, and so it looks like there's more people here only because we did, like, for example, there's the table right there, and so we've got the distance between the tables so you can kind of see. And I've got masks for everybody, and you guys, I'm gonna have to do a couple sneaks because I have to, and you're watching here. So there is, okay, there's 57. Okay, so gotta show you. Oh, I love it, by the way. So I love it. Some girls that weren't able to come here, they were so amazing, and they made gifts for us. And Amy and Amanda, thank you so much. And so we have gifts. That's the theme, the bees. Looks like we're going to be doing some chalk couture in the house. You guys, oh, you're just going to love this stuff. You guys, okay, so it's not too late. If you want to sign up virtually, join us. TERESA 10, save $10. It's on the website. We're doing a lot of foundation, meaning like in Ken, Sean, and everything is pre-recorded too. So we have pre-recorded classes, and then you'll have the live too. So Ken and Sean are helping us. There's Brian and Tammy in here and me. And we're just setting up and getting ready. And you can kind of see there is the projector. See how the tables are so far apart. And so we're not messing around. Okay, Brian, can you say hi real quick? You guys, so there's like...
Hey, everybody.
Hey, wait a minute, you didn't shave.
Why
you didn't shave?
I trimmed it a little.
Okay, if you're here, big surprises. So this is where we host our retreat. And I just want to show you outside how beautiful it is. And this is Hotel Park City. And you can see it's just beautiful. We're up on the mountainside in beautiful Park City. The cottage suites are over there. And then you can see there's restaurants, Ruth Chris, and every room has its walkout balcony and the beautiful view. And so you probably can see why I do the yearly Teresa Collins retreat here. Here I am. And it's beautiful. And every place comes with either a mini kitchen or a full kitchen, washer, dryer. My husband's sitting here and he's like, that is a Murphy's bed. Oh, I think he wants to watch some TV. So we just set up today. And so hopefully you'll join us here in 2021. We would love to have you. Okay, love you guys. Thanks for joining me. Bye.